Hi guys, welcome back to Bitesize Excel. In today's video, we're going to take a first look at the match function. Now the match function is used in Excel to locate the position of a value in a particular row, column or table. Now match can be used with exact values or it can also look up approximate values. So you can also use a wildcard to look up a value. So this is where you put in, say, the first few letters and say you didn't know the end of the spelling, so you can just put a star in instead and you'll still get a 4 because the only one with ELL is here. But however, say you've got multiple names which all start with the same value, it will simply return the first one. So say we were to go with JA, it would return cell 6 because the first one that starts with JA is Jack here in cell 6. If you were to add the C in, you'd still get the same value. But however, if you were to change that to an M, Jamal's in row 8, so that will change to an 8. Now match can also be used with approximate values. So you notice if you put in the match function and put up your lookup value and your array, say this time we're going to put it in the points. When you put in match type, there's also an option for a less than and a greater than. Now a word of caution with these, you do need to sort your data for these to work correctly. So say if we put less than in, so we put in a 1, and we want to know the first person who has got less than 60. To make this work properly, so if we look at cell 9, that's a 14, that's obviously not correct. So as row 9 is certainly not the correct value, to make this work correctly, when you use your match type of 1, you need to make sure that your column that you're looking up in is sorted from smallest to largest. So when you've sorted from smallest to largest, you find that 14 is the result you get. If we highlight row 14, you'll see 58 is the first value that is less than 60. So that's correct. However, if you change this to a -1, which is meant to give you the value greater than, you'll find you get an error. And this again is because in this instance, you need to sort your data in descending order, so from largest to smallest. So if we change that, you'll find that your result is a 6. And if we look at 6, 64 is the first value that's greater than 60. So that's correct. For the most part, I find the most useful way to use the match function is to look up your exact values, so just using a 0. In the next video, we're going to look at how you use index and match together. As to get the best use out of match, it is usually combined with the index function. So this has been a really short introductory video. I do hope that you found it useful. Please do like and subscribe, leave me a comment, and I look forward to seeing you again in future.